Sila pala yung gumagawa.
Ito po ang DTF machine sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit. Na may 99 meters kaming nairan dito this week. Ito po ang heads, capping, head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Buo naman ang nozzle check. Temperature check, normal. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Ground wire. Missing tank na rin is Friday. ABR. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Daily workload updated. Consumables withdrawal updated. Weekly physical inventory updated din po. Ito naman po yung maintenance checklist updated. Maraming salamat po.